Hey guys, this is Rez. Welcome to the first video for learning to program. What we're going to be learning in the couple of videos that are coming is going to be the foundation to programming. So having the foundation is going to enable you to be a better programmer overall, go from one language to the next. You should be pretty much fine. Until it's the foundation, you'll be fine wherever you go. So a couple goals that we're aiming here is to make sure you have a logical mind. That's the biggest goal. And overall, for now, as the beginner, is to clean up your code. And we're going to talk about this as we go along. Now, to get us started, as we're going to be using Java, to get us started, we need a couple of things. The first thing is a JDK, the Java Development Kit. This is going to have all the code that you need to be able to program. We're going to talk about it a bit later, but go ahead to jdk.java.net and download. You could download JDK 14 or etc. You'll notice a lot of times there's going to be different references for numberings. Either it's going to say Java 14, Java 8 point something, Java, and the thing is, it's a bit messy, but they all pretty much mean the same thing. Now, you're going to see what I mean for that later on, so it doesn't really matter. But the later versions you are at is going to give you more features. And again, don't mistake a high number, meaning it's a further down the line version. Sometimes it might have a lower number and it's higher than the other one. That's what Java is. Anyway, other than that, you'll also see something called Java SE. And again, we're going to ignore all of those. The one that we need at this moment is Java, the JDK. Please download that. So that's going to be the library with all the application programs, all the stuff you need to be able to code. And the other thing we need is an IDE. An IDE is like a tool that our programmers will use to enable them to program faster, easier, better. It's going to help you with coding and so forth. Now, the IDE you pick is going to determine how much of an easier time you will have. And this is not, hey, I'm going to make my life harder and I'm going to advance better or something. No, it's nothing like that. It's actually going to be the environment that decides how fast you improve. So there's no point of going in a text editor and writing everything in text editor and compiling it and then running it, and a lot of people will tell you that, and they're, in my opinion, idiots. In this case, what we want is an IDE that could code complete, tell us what our mistakes are, where our issues are, and the better your IDE is, the better your life will be. So, my recommendation of an IDE is IntelliJ, and you could get that all free from education.github.com. Students, this backpack. So Google this GitHub backpack, you'll see it. And the cool part is they give you a lot of softwares for free until you're a student. So just prove them somehow with sending a picture or something, and they will give you a lot of different softwares, free websites, etc., etc. What we're interested in is JetBrains. And again, you might be interested in a lot of these other things. There's even a tutor, one-on-one session with someone somewhere in this. So there's a lot of things to look at and check it out. It's really worth it. Yeah, but the thing we're really interested in right now is the JetBrains applications. Inside the JetBrains, there is a software called JetBrains IntelliJ. This is the IDE that I would like you guys to use. This, again, the better your IDE, the better your life will be. In this case, the IDE is going to do a lot of things for us. One, it's going to compile our code, so basically make text into something that the computer understands. We'll talk about this in the next video. It's going to allow us to autocomplete, tell us what our mistakes are, allow us to blah, blah, blah. There's a lot of features, and hopefully we'll start using them and get more and more into it and have a better time programming. Okay? So I would recommend this. If you use something else, if you get mistakes for no reason, it is, again, up to you. I can't help you much. yeah, that's it for the first video. I'll see you guys in the next video. So please download IntelliJ and the JDK. You need both of them. And see you guys in the next video.